Hi students, in this video we are going to discuss what are different types of machine learning algorithms. Here there are mainly three types of machine learning algorithms. That means how can we make a machine to acquire knowledge. So how can we make a machine to learn. So that can be done in three ways. So what are those three types of algorithms? One is supervised learning. Second one, unsupervised learning. And third one, reinforcement learning. There are three types of machine learning algorithms: supervised machine learning algorithms, unsupervised machine learning algorithms, and reinforcement learning algorithms. Okay, now just we will discuss what are these three types of algorithms. So first one is supervised learning. What is meant by supervised learning algorithm? Supervised learning algorithms. See the name here, it is, if you observe, supervised. Supervision is there in this type of algorithms. What does it mean? So these algorithms trains the model based on the labels. So it is one type of a machine learning algorithm. It is a type of machine learning algorithm. So next, so in this algorithm is trained. This algorithm is trained based on, or it consisting of labeled data set. It consisting of labeled data set. Simply data set is nothing but the data or the database. Okay, so labeled data set. What does it mean? Labeled data set. Generally, if you consider a data set will be like this: a data set consisting of different attributes. A data set consisting of different attributes. These are some different attributes. Suppose assume these are the attributes, or simply you can call them as columns, and this is labeled column. So what is this one? This is called as a data set. Okay, so data set consisting of some features, attributes or features related to this data. Now with this data, including this data, labels are also present. Then those type of algorithms, that means this data set, this type of data set is given as input to the algorithms. Then those algorithms are called as supervised learning algorithms. Okay, so for example, what are different examples of this supervised machine learning algorithms, and what are here in supervised learning also different types are there. One is classification algorithms. So classification is under supervised learning. Okay, and second one is regression algorithms. Regression algorithms, classification algorithms and regression algorithms. Now what are overall applications of machine learning, that we will discuss in next video. Just I will give you an overview of the different types of machine learning algorithms. So if you consider classification algorithms, that means classifying the data is under supervised learning. So that classification can be done by using different classification algorithms. So what are different classification algorithms? So like first, k nearest neighbors. K nearest neighbors is nothing but KNN. Next, decision trees. So these are different classification algorithms. Okay. Then coming to another classification algorithm or another classifier. So is random forest. Another one is like a navy base algorithm. Then boosting algorithms are there. So different boosting algorithms like ADA boost, extreme gradient boost. Okay, boosting algorithms. Support vector machines, SVM. Support vector machines. So that here shortly it is called as SVM. This is RF. This is DT. This is NB. So the data can be classified by using different classification algorithms. These are some examples of the classification algorithms. So this classification is one type of supervised learning. Another type of supervised learning is regression. Under regression also different algorithms are there. Like, so what is meant by regression, what is meant by classification, that I will tell you in another video. Okay, so now regression, just here I am giving what are different algorithms or categories under each category of machine learning. Okay, so if you consider regression, here again different algorithms are there. One is linear regression, then another one is polynomial regression, and different another algorithm is also there, ridge and lasso regression algorithms. Like that, supervised learning algorithms consisting of again two types. One is a classification algorithm and another one is regression algorithm. Okay, so this is one type of supervised learning. Now coming to another type of machine learning algorithm, that is unsupervised learning. Unsupervised learning machine learning algorithms. If you observe unsupervised, there is no supervisor. That means there is no label on this data. So that is here unsupervised learning. So that means it is also another type of machine learning algorithm. Another type of machine learning algorithm. There is no supervision here. That means there is no label. So that means this is under this category. This type of data is under this category. Like that, there is no supervision. That means there is no label in the data set. Okay, so no label the data, no labels in the data set. Okay, that means then how our machine can learn or acquire knowledge. Okay, it learns patterns and groups, learns the patterns from the data. So here in supervised learning, here input and output pair form will be there, whereas here there is no case of input output pairs. Here your data consisting of only the attributes, only the features. So all the, if you consider or observe this as a data set, it consisting of only the attributes or features related to that data. So there is no label category. There is no label in this data set. So that is called as unsupervised learning. Okay. So under this unsupervised learning, again two types. How supervised learning algorithms consisting of classifications and regression. In unsupervised also, generally there are two types under this unsupervised learning. Okay. One is clustering and another one is dimensionality reduction. Dimensionality reduction. Again, this cluster, generally what is meant by clustering? Clustering is nothing but grouping the similar items. Okay, so that grouping can be done by using different algorithms. Like the algorithms are, K means a clustering algorithm. K means clustering. Hierarchical clustering algorithm. Then another important clustering algorithm is DB scan. What is the full form of DB scan? Okay, this is density based spatial clustering of applications with noise. DB scan. DBSCAN. DB scan algorithms are under this clustering category. Next, coming to this dimensionality reduction, we can reduce the number of attributes present in the data set. So that is dimensionality reduction. Different algorithms are there here also. That is, one is principal component analysis, and in neural networks we will get like encoders. These are different algorithms in dimensionality reduction. These are different algorithms in clustering algorithms. These two are under which category? Unsupervised learning category. Okay. So now another type of machine learning algorithm is reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning, machine learning algorithms. What is meant by reinforcement learning? This is also one type of machine learning algorithm. One type of machine learning algorithm. Then how we can make a machine to acquire knowledge? This is by using or by interacting or by communicating with the environment. Okay, so that means an agent acquires knowledge. So this is nothing but learns. Agent learns to make decisions by interacting. Decisions by interacting with the environment. With the environment. Here what is meant by this agent? Agent is nothing but you can say it as a learner or a decision maker So learner learns to make decisions by interacting with the environment. Environment is nothing but with whom or with what this learner is communicating or interacting. Okay, so to which one it is interacting is nothing but here environment. Okay, so this is reinforcement learning. So under this reinforcement learning also, like different algorithms are there. So the algorithms here are called as Q learning algorithms, then deep Q networks. Nowadays, reinforcement learning playing an important role in the world. Okay, in the real life or in many applications. Okay, so these are different types of machine learning algorithms. I hope you understand, students. Just here I'm giving outline here. It is how many types are there actually. So one is supervised machine learning. Simply I am saying here one is supervised and another one is unsupervised and another one is reinforcement. Okay, so under this again two types are there. One is classification and regression. And unsupervised learning again two types are there. One is clustering and another one is dimensionality reduction. Okay, and here two types of algorithms are there. One is Q learning, another one is deep Q learning or networks, DQN. So that means if you have seen this completely, you will get an idea of what are the different types of machine learning algorithms. Okay. So these are three types of algorithms. Okay, and here also under classification, different algorithms are there like KNN, random forest, boosting algorithms, SVM. Okay, so under regression also we have linear regression and polynomial regression. So different algorithms under this regression. Next, so unsupervised learning, this clustering algorithm like k-means clustering, hierarchical clustering, something like DB scan, and here like autoencoders and principal component analysis. So these are three important types. Actually semi-supervised is also there. That means some attributes are having labels, some attributes are not having labels. So that is a semi-supervised learning algorithms. Okay, that is also another category in machine learning. Mainly these are the types: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and then reinforcement learning. Hope you understand, students, different types of machine learning algorithms. So in the next video, we are going to discuss what are different applications of machine learning algorithms. If you have any doubts related to this, then please send me a message in the comment box. Thank you, students. Have a great day. Bye.